Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here today. My name is Marcia, and on today's video, I've got 3 thrift flips. So let's get crafting. For project one, I have this wooden box that is originally from the Dollar Tree Plus section. It had a sticker that said $5, but I found it at the bins. It's very lightweight, so I probably paid about $1 for it. Now, I'm going in the inside of the box with Waverly chalk paint and plaster. I plan to do some decoupage, in the inside. And I'm also going to use this plaster paint on the top on the fancy little scroll work that's on the top. For the rest of the box, I'm going to give 2 coats of the Folk Art chalk paint and the color Nautical. After all the paint is dry, I have this napkin that I found at Home Goods. It's blue and white. It matches the nautical paint really well. I'm just removing it down to the 1 ply you want. Anytime you decoupage with a napkin, you want to make sure that you take it down to just the printed ply. And I'm just going to get it sized up and decoupage it into the bottom of the box. To seal this piece, I am using Dixie Belle's Best Dame Wax in the white. And I'm just going to go in with a wax brush and apply it to the piece and wipe back the excess. And here's how this little box turned out. I'm not quite sure where I'm going to put this. I'm thinking I may use it in my laundry room for my dryer sheets. You guys let me know what you think down in the comments. For project 2, I found this little clock at the Goodwill bins. It is originally from Walmart. Here I'm trying to remove the clock parts just to replace some of it. And then I'm going to go in and actually put the glass dome back on there, and I taped it up really good. And I'm going to give this 2 coats of the Waverly chalk paint in the color moss. This is a very sage green. It's very pretty color. It would be great for springtime. Once my 2 coats of paint have dried, I'm coming in with my little finger sander here and distressing the edges and corners of the clock to give it a more aged look. Now for the silver ring that is round the glass dome part of the clock, I'm going in with my favorite rubbing buff in the antique gold and giving a coat. I'm kind of just rubbing it in with my brush, and I'm going to buff it out with a cloth. And to seal up that chalk paint, I'm going in with Dixie Belle's Best Name Wax in the white. And here's how this clock turned out. I think this was my favorite project in this video, but you guys let me know what you think down in the comments. For project 3, I have this little tin. It looks like it was for jelly beans. I cleaned it out good and took it outside and gave it 2 coats of the Rust-Oleum flat black paint. And now I'm going to come in and give it 2 coats of the Waverly chalk paint in the plaster. I want to attempt to give this a crackle look. Um, I'm not quite satisfied with how it turns out, but you can guys let me know what you think when I show the reveal picture. Once all the paint is dry, I've got some floral IOD transfers that are from the Rose Botanical book. And I'm just going to apply those. And if you've never applied a transfer before, they're really easy. You just pick out the design you want, put it down on your piece. You're going to use that little plastic stick that I'm using here, and you're going to rub down the transfer onto your piece and then simply pull off the top plastic piece and then varnish it in just by rubbing it softly into it. Now I'm going to put these IOD transfers all the way around the entire tin. Now I have this well, it's a new product to me. It is the Pin Art Crackle Medium. It's a two-part thing, and here I'm just putting on part one, and then I let it dry for 2 hours, and then I'm going to go in with part two. I will say the part two is very runny, and I did have some parts on this where it ran. So when you use it, you might want to have a light hand when applying that second part. Now to make it look a little more vintage or aged, I'm going in with DIY's wax in the dark. And I'm just simply applying this with a little cloth. This wax will get into the crackle and it will make it stand out more. And here's how it turned out. It is cute, but I didn't get as much crackle as I thought I would get. You guys let me know what you think down in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching my video today. I appreciate the support. If you liked the video, please consider liking and subscribing. It will really help my channel grow, and that is one of my 2026 goals. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.